afternoon and good evening to you guys. Welcome back to another video. And today I made a furnace. And wasam coal. Absolute coal. Real coal. And this stove took us hours to do. Kind of. Ew, put it back there. Okay, we're gonna light this up. Baby! Yeah, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's so gorgeous. Look at its gorgeousness. Look. See? Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at it. See, so this is our neighborhood. And it is hard. A furnace. If you want this car.
You want this car, you buy it. You can buy it. 110,000
This derpy warpy. Where am I going? Ow. Check that out. So, peace. What tomato has it? Don't touch that. Derpy me lurpy.
Here.
Alright, I think that's about it for today's magical video. And you sir, you're very kind. And we're gonna cook some marshmallows.
Yeah, we're gonna cook some marshmallows.
So, happy day. Happy original Saturday. Peace out. Bye. Wata wata watata watata tata watatata watata watata tata watatata watata watata tata.